Questions from the poem The Professor by Nissim Ezekiel. Who is the speaker in the poem The Professor? It is a retired professor. What is the professor's tone throughout the poem? It's boastful and self-important. The poem The Professor is written in which form? It is written in free verse. What is the primary theme of this poem? The primary theme is the use of Indian English and self-importance. Which aspect of language is humorously depicted in this poem? It's Indianized English. How does the professor refer to his family? He referred to his family with affection and pride. What does the professor say about his children? They are all married and settled. What does the professor say about his health? What does the professor say about his health? He has a weak heart but walks regularly. What literary device is most prominent in this poem? It's satire. What is ironic about the professors in English? It contains many errors and oddities. What does the professor mean when he says everything is increasing? He means that the cost of living is rising. The professor's conversation reflects what about the Indian society? It reflects the importance of status and family pride. How does the professor address his listener? He in a casual and friendly manner. What does the professor say about his children's marriages? He says that they were arranged and successful. What does the professor's speech reveal about him? He is boastful and obsessed with numbers. What is the professor's view on age? He accepts aging positively. What does the professor say about his health? He says that I have weak heart but I walk regularly. What is the characteristic feature of professor's speech? It's his use of incorrect grammar and Indianized expressions. How does the professor compare his two sons? He compared them, one is successful and other is not. What does the professor say about his daughters? He says that they are all settled in life. What is the effect of the professor's speech pattern? It creates humor and satire. What does the professor say about the listener's family? He expresses interest but in a general way. What does the poem highlight about Indian culture? The poem highlights the respect for elders and obsession with status. What kind of humor is present in this poem? The satirical humor. What is the poet's main intention behind the poem is to